Hi, I'm Sandra from Createinspain, and this is the Createinspain matting system. If you're anything like me, you find matting cards to be problematic. I have a pretty good eye, but I always find if I eyeball mats, they're slightly out, and if they're slightly out, the whole card is wrecked, and it really annoys me. The amount of card fronts I have thrown out because I've wrecked the matting. Ugh, mad. Anyway, I have a piece of card here to demonstrate with. This is the base, and it is thoroughly enclosed apart from two little finger holes which are on the opposite corners. And if I didn't put those in, you wouldn't be able to get the card out, so I thought that was an important thing. Now this is a piece of A5 folded in half to make the A6. This is European measurements, and that fits in there pretty nicely. If you decide you want to order one of these and your card is ever so slightly too big, just trim it down very, very slightly on a guillotine. It's important that the card fits the base properly. If it's loose in the base, then the whole system will basically not work that well. So I have 4 different frame sizes here, from the very narrow through to the reasonably thick. And this makes matting so easy, it's amazing. So the card goes in like so. It fits snugly. Once you've got that fit right, that's all you need to do. And then you choose a frame size. So this is the blue one. Put that one in there, and you can see it fits in closely. It doesn't bow, it's not too long, it's not too short. It cannot move from side to side or up and down. And all the frames are the same size on the outer edge. So I'm going to take the white one, put that one in, you can see that. And I have a piece of card cut to size. You would put your glue on, or your double-sided tape now. Hold it in place, although you don't have to hold it very much, but just hold it in place to stop the card from going underneath the edge. And this is suitable for right or left-handers. You would just do it the other way around. And you simply put your card on there, lie it down, and then it's stuck on, and you lift your frame off and your card is matted. So if I were left-handed, I would do it this way. And in fact, I'm right-handed and I can do this left-handed, so that's pretty good, isn't it? There we go. And so on. Now this is useful for people who either, like me, find it difficult to mat simply because we get the angles wrong and the positioning wrong, or if you have a problem with your hands, if they shake a lot, if you have arthritis or something and you find it very difficult to grip everything, or indeed if you want to give this to a child so that a child can mat things accurately as well. This has made matting so much easier. If you are using an electronic cutter to cut the card, what I do is I cut the card 1 millimeter shorter on both edges. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but you may find it more difficult to position the card. You know, you can do it with a larger card. I've got some... Which one is it? I think it was that one. This is cut to the precise measurement that is supposed to be, and you can put it in there, but obviously it is the same measurement as that, so you've got to be a little more careful when you move it out, but it can still be done. So the choice is yours. If you're going to cut it, as I said, on a sort of a Cameo or another electronic cutting machine, you just choose the mat size that you want and make a note of it for each of the colours of the frames. If you are cutting it with a guillotine, you can easily use some tape and mark the size of the mats that you need on your board. So there we go, that's how it works. I find it to be extremely good, extremely accurate. It saves me a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of frustration. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, then contact me via my blog. The link to the blog is in the bar above. And if you go to there, you'll find a contact form. You can send me a contact form and I'll send you details. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.